was a house full of musical cats who lived without a care in the world until a knock on the door changed it all forevermore. They call her Kitty, and all she wants to be is a cat. But Kitty is not a cat.
No matter how hard the cats tried, their efforts to teach Kitty to behave more like a human did not seem to be working. Kitty had become so good at behaving like a cat that even the cats were impressed.
No! Not again!
Hey, can I just point out we are meant to be encouraging Kitty to behave like a human, whatever that means?
Oh dear, you're right, Miley. We need to pull our socks up on that front. Huh?
Hi, I'm Junior Ranger Greg. We're here to find new recruits for our Junior Rangers Adventure Program. Fib, 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 gob, gob, gob.
Fib, fib, gob. What are you talking about?
Junior Rangers is about teaching children how to create, participate, and most importantly, be ready. Fib, 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 gob, gob, gob.
Be ready for what?
Be ready to be the best human you can be. Fib, 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 gob, gob, gob.
Excellent, Junior Ranger Greg. Here's a badge for public speaking.
Yay!
Ranger Wendy here, or Wendy the Wallaby, my troop name.
Sorry, not interested.
Miley, Ranger Greg said it teaches you to be the best human you can be. It's perfect for Kitty. Ranger Wendy, we'd like to know everything about Junior Rangers and especially those badges. The badges are given when you've passed another step on your way to being a Junior Ranger. Then you can show them off at the Grand Jamboree. It's all in here. Ooh.
Are you sure this is the right thing for Kitty? Or are you just in it for the badges?
For the Kitty. It's all for Kitty. Attention, Junior Rangers. Time to learn to be the best human you can be.
But I'm a cat.
That doesn't matter. Now, from here on in, please refer to me by my troop name, Grand Koala Master.
Meow?
Now, the Junior Ranger way of greeting is through a thing called a salute. Follow me. Here's how it goes. Well done, new recruits. Excellent. You've earned your very first badge. We cats know that strings and ropes were invented for playing with, but Junior Rangers like to use them for a thing called knots. Follow me. You take the eye of the weasel, thread it up the elephant trunk to dig a hole in the swimming pool. No, wait, the garbage bin? Then you chase your tail until you've caught your nose. And here you go, a Junior Ranger knot. Excellent. How strange. It seems that at the jamboree, everyone lives under sheets held up by sticks.
Huh.
Close enough. Your sheets and stick badge. Apparently, junior rangers like to sleep in bags. These were all I could find. Impractical and not very warm, but that's what it says in the book. Sleeping bag badge.
What is Petal doing? I could go out there and trip on a rock and get a badge.
Ouch.
Here's your tripping on a rock badge. Finding your way through the wilderness with a nut badge. Finding food anywhere you can badge. Rubbing two sticks together badge. Wrapping people in bandages badge. Bow and arrow badge. Finding water badge. Now that you've earned your drying off by the fire badge, let's move on to the campfire sing-along badge. Oh, here's one about bottles on a wall. OK, let's start with 10,051, then each time we take one down until we've done them all.
10,051 bottles of milk on the wall. 10,051 bottles of milk.
You take one down, pass it around.
One bottle of milk on the wall. One bottle of milk.
You take one down, pass it around.
One bottle left. The torture is ending.
Well done, everyone. Now let's sing Wriggle Squirrel Wriggle.
No!
Ding dong silly solly gong song. Beetles on your bestie? Ants on your arms?
No!
Hey, this isn't about you. It's about Kitty being the best human she can be. It's about my dedicated junior rangers. Oh, you two. Nighty-night then. Here's your going to sleep badges.
As the sun rose over the mansion, it was finally time for the jamboree and time to show off all the amazing badges they had earned.
Now, to hike to the jamboree. Here's a special hike to the jamboree badge. Last one there is a rotten egg, which would be great because then you can earn the rotten egg badge. Oh, Grand Koala Master and Junior Rangers Timmy, Tom and Kitty reporting for the jamboree.
No cats allowed. Cats are a pest to our native bush and should be kept indoors.
Excuse me, that is very rude. We've done everything in the book and have badges to prove it. We're Junior Rangers through and through. Junior Rangers? You are not. Are not. Plus, those badges are made up. They're non-regulation. Really? Well, here's a lack of imagination badge for you. Made with love and 100% organic cotton. You cannot be a junior ranger. You can't come in. You're a cat. Didn't you read page 547 in the guidebook? Oh dear, she's right. We can't go in.
But Petal, Kitty isn't a cat, so she can go in.
Of course. I got so caught up with the badges and being troop leader that I forgot this was supposed to be about Kitty.
Meow.
Her uniform is non-regulation, but as she's not a cat, she's allowed in. Oh, well, Kitty, I insist. Go in and show off your hard-earned badges. At least then I know it's been worth it, even if we can't be junior rangers.
Kitty and I would like to present Petal with the Supreme Grand Koala Master Best Leader Ever badge. Meow! What we're trying to say is this final badge also signifies the end of Junior Rangers training because Petal got a little carried away.
And a little weird.
Why, thank you. And here's one last badge for you. The best friends a cat could have badge. Between you and me, Kitty, I actually think I was an exceptional Grand Koala Master. OK, maybe I got a little carried away. A lot carried away. But we didn't forget to have fun, did we?
Yeah.
OK, so who's up for a campfire song?
So, as her Junior Rangers training ended, Kitty learned that achievements are important. As long as everyone has a chance to create, participate, and most importantly, have fun.